Hi, I'm Chris Ross with Chasm. I just want to show you a little bit about our area management system and the new 3D maps on the Locera website. So if we zoom down to the map here, we have our floor plan where we can kind of see where some of our racks would be. In this case, we want to create an area. So I'm going to go over to the admin panel, add area, I'm going to give it a name, and we are going to create an RTLS area, which is just a very basic area. I'm going to give it a color. Say a nice blue color, and we're going to set the coordinates. So here we have each of the four corners that we're going to put in here, and all we need to do is just tap on the map for each corner, and that will create kind of a bounds. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save, and it'll go to the database, and then come back here, and you should see it right there. So now that is a area that is in our database, and any transponder that moves in and out of that area will be registered with our reporting. Let's create a 3D area. I'm going to go through the same process again. This time we're going to create a 3D area under the 3D tab there. I'm going to grab a new color, and we're going to come down here and set the coordinates. Now we have a z-axis, which gives us depth to look at. So we'll say that this is 300 centimeters high. Save that, save that. Same thing, goes to database, comes back here. Now that we have a z-axis here, any transponders that can come in here can move up and down. And this is how we can create shelves for transponders that need to go on specific shelves. So there you have it. For more information on this, please visit locera.io.